Okay, next checklist is 8 emergency operation again. C, manually operate water mist system.
Water mist operating mode switch should be set to manual.
So, ilagay daw natin sa manual. Ayan, manual.
Fuel heater's water mist manual release button should be pressed.
So, fuel heater's water mist manual release button should be pressed. Ibig sabihin, i-release natin dito yung water mist. So, pag pinindot natin to, marirelease dito yung water mist. Try natin. Ayan. So, ayan. Nakita nyo, nag-green, di ba? So, dahil, di ba, mapapansin nyo, may mga dotted line. Yung dotted line na yon, yun yung signal coming from this button na i-release yung mist dito. Ayan. I-off natin.
Fuel heater's water mist operating mode switch should be set to off.
Okay. Off natin. Ayan.
Snooze button should be pressed.
So, snooze button.
Okay.
Ayan.
Now, press close checklist button to close the checklist window. You can start the next checklist right now.
Okay, next checklist. 8 emergency operation of manually operate water mist system. Press natin yan.
Water mist operating mode switch should be set to manual.
So, yung water mist system, ayan, water mist system operation mode to manual, sabi niya. Lagay daw sa manual.
Fuel heater's water mist manual release button should be pressed.
So, itong mga manual release button na to, pag pinindot ito, for example, ito, main engine, marirelease siya sa main engine. At sa main engine, may 16 nozzles na nakatutok. Sa DG1, merong 10 nozzles. Ito ang marirelease. DG2, 10 nozzles din. Boiler, yan. Mga critical machineries in case na merong fire. Separating room, 40 nozzles. Fuel heaters, 4 nozzles. Yan. So, this is the water tank. Yan. So, ito yung valves na papunta dito kung i-release dito. Yan. Ito rin yung refilling kung sakasakali. Yan, yan refilling natin. Yan, kung domestic water, yan. Try nating i-release.
Fuel heater's water mist operating mode switch should be set to off.
So, mapapansin mo, naka-release ngayon siya sa fuel heaters. Coming from here, ayan, ayan. Papunta rito, yung mga mist. Ngayon, nung pinindot ito, nakita mo yung dotted line na yan. Dotted line na yan. Dotted line signals to open this controlled na bulbs para ma-release dito. So, water mist operating mode switch should be set to off. Yan. Let's say na-extinguish na yung fire. Yan. Off natin. Off natin. Yan, yan.
Snooze button should be pressed.
So, snooze na natin. Sabi niya, continue natin yan.
Okay. Now, press close checklist button to close the checklist window.
Yan. So, fire warning. Ayun, di ba? Doon siya nagkaroon ng fire. Nung umilaw kanina, sinisignify na ito ay na-release. And then the manual release button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ano? Section, kung pinindot ko to, sabi niya, section ng fuel heaters, yung nare-releasean ng oil mist from here, na meron 4 nozzles. At kung main engine naman, ito naman yon. And then the others are the same, ano? Depende lang. Kung dito umilaw ng fire warning at dito intended i-release, ito yung pipindutin natin. Okay? Pwede rin namang i-auto to. So, kaya lang kanina, manual lang ginamit natin.